You are going to be prying the plate out from the dash. The dash is very expensive, so do yourself a favor and get a good set of trim removal tools. We use the Schwaben trim removal kit with great success. Begin by gently sliding the forward part of the trim piece towards the rear of the vehicle indicated by the red arrows and gently lifting it up. I was able to do this using just my hands. Working your way around from the outside, from the front to rear, gently lift the plate separating the clips from the dash. The blue arrows indicate the tabs that need to slide into the dash on the back of the trim plate, and the red arrows indicate the hooks that are up by the clock. Carefully release these and lift the plate up and out. Turn the trim plate with the clock in it around and separate the wiring connection indicated by the red arrow. Set the trim piece aside and use a T20 torque and remove the 3 screws holding the speaker in place. You will need to use a socket due to the windshield giving you little room to work. Lift the speaker out from the mount. Press in the tiny tab on the speaker and separate the wiring connection. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.